Let's start with our circle time. Our share question today. It's how do you bring shine to this world? What is something that you love, that you like to share with everybody?
My name is Aiden, and my shine is working with motors and destroying stuff.
My name is Ariel. My shine is science, specifically chemistry.
I love chemistry. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we all come to this space to make it our space, our maker space. Art and science comes together to create things. I am from the old school. I didn't have this. I felt that art was one thing and science was a different thing. And now we understand how we can benefit from each other by putting our hands on different materials and trying different things that actually can help us to build some other great things like technology.
MakerSpace is amazing. My favorite thing about it is, well, it's in the name. You get to make stuff. It's awesome.
You just get to make cool stuff that you wouldn't just
And it's also
go home and do.
I've always been interested in science, and I honestly just love helping out children. The hands-on experience is a lot more focused here than in science classroom. It's more based on getting to do what you think would work instead of just getting assigned something.
All right, find your place in the circle. What's the achievement that you feel from all of this?
I think it's cool, and you could spell out words with the keys, and you can make numbers and do all this cool stuff with the keys.
I just love how this spins around while these move and this thing goes in and out. It's really cool.
What is this part of the calculator?
This is
What it does?
This is the inside, so that when you if you type down a key and put that right there, and then it'd probably solve the problem for you.
We're gonna finish tidying up and then we're leaving, okay?
I got it.
Gracias!
De nada.
Let's get our stuff, friends.